What's going on? Third video of the day. Few new mods.
Yeah. We don't just wear the same clothes all the time.
No, I don't just wear the same clothes. Third video in one day. Back in the Mark 6 now. Big transformation going on here. We finally have the necessary tool to remove these bolts. All of them. I didn't have the LCD 360 last time. We do today. So right in the back here, all packaged up, ready to go in. So this is the part. Just look at the transformation that is about to go down. Brand new part, supplied by us, will be fitted by me. Just look at the transformation. Like, come on, that is level. I know it's a 2010 car, so obviously it doesn't look how your 2020 Merc dashes are gonna look these days. But it's a big transformation for this car. Also, it's the same torque bit that we needed to experiment with this. I know this is not gonna fully function. I already know that, and I've accepted that.
But do you reckon it'll throw up a?
If it throws up an error, it throws up an error. We've got OBDs and we can clear the code, whatever. It looks better. As long as the actual controls themselves work, and I can then look into what we actually need. Also in the post came the other mirror cap that we needed. And, one more thing, look what I found in that parcel, which you've seen me open on video and you've seen me looking through it very thoroughly.
I'll throw the clip in here.
Where's the other two parts? Pretty didn't send one.
We're gonna get the one.
Send all three. The other two pieces were in there. They were actually in the parcel. What I'll actually do is, luckily it wasn't like a nasty waste disposal bin, it was just the paper bin that I threw it in. The night before, my mum had taken the bin out for it to go out. The guy said to me, he goes, definitely we put it in there, have a look again. So luckily it was like near the top of the bin. I've picked the piece of paper out, or the card, whatever it came in, just ruffled it about, and these two fell out. They were actually in there. I don't know how, and I can't believe how, but they were. But yeah, let's get straight into it.
So you're sincerely sorry for outing him on YouTube?
I didn't actually name him, so.
No, but you said, oh, fucking dickhead, didn't even send me the 3 pieces.
I'm sorry, bro. But right now, we've got bigger problems. Oh, no, it's here. Right, so let's get straight to it. Should we do this first?
Yeah, do it.
I am more excited to do the LCD, but let's do this first.
Do the AC controls first.
Get all this out. Do you know what's funny as well, yeah? Moib didn't give me these for today. He left them in the unit last night by accident. And just by chance, we came risking it today. Just by chance, one of the 3 that he'd left there is the correct one.
Yeah, but luckily for me, my mum needed a T20.
So does yours fit that?
And I have an array of...
So which one?
Is it a T20? So yeah, I had it anyway.
T15?
T15.
Okay, so we had it anyway. So we were prepared today. It's one way or another. We're getting the control unit out now. All those out.
Do you want to explain what you pulled on? These little red tabs.
What you do is, these little red tabs,
oh, there you go.
They come in and out, so you have to pull it out, and that one, but they won't now because they're not plugged in. And then there's a pushy tab under here. You push that both sides, and then it just pulls it straight out. Simple. New one. Right. Oh, we got bigger issues.
Different connectors.
Yeah, it doesn't have this old school connector here. Let's see what it does. Let's see what happens. We're here to experiment. I think that might be the one for the auto.
The auto climate.
So we're gonna have to leave a whole connector out. Should we turn it on now?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't have any power at all.
Is that the power lead, do you reckon?
Yeah, we don't have any power. Where's the fan button? Yeah, nothing. I'm gonna screw it back in for now, but that is something I need to look into next. Now I'm gonna hide this aux wire away because I'm done with it. You don't need it anymore. I'm gonna hide that away, hide this. That's the that obviously now until taking it apart, because in the non-heated seat and heated seat Mark 7, it was the exact same. So yeah, I'll look into this wiring loom. It might just be a quick TPS thing.
Oh, a new loom.
A new loom. Looms aren't usually too expensive, especially for the Mark 6. I reckon I'll find one used, to be honest. I'll get a price from TPS, try and get a part number, and then I can search for it used somewhere else. This is the exciting part now. I've seen a new wiring loom that we might have to change out, so we might have to give Adil a call to get guided through this, but it's a big transfer happening here. RCD 360 is like, it's what Adil just recommends as like the go-to.
Is it what comes standard in the Mark 6R?
No, I don't even know what it comes in, because they normally get the RNS 510. It doesn't have that's like their top spec system, but it doesn't have CarPlay. So I'm still trying to do some research into it, but all I know is this system gets CarPlay and it's MMB box compatible.
So where does it originate from?
It's a VW system. It's a genuine VW. I need to look into which car it came in. I'm not actually too sure, genuinely. But it's a genuine VW system.
It might be something weird, like a T-Roc or an old T-Roc.
There was no old T-Roc.
A Tiguan?
It might be, yeah. It might be, to be fair. It must be around the 2015-16 time, because
before they facelifted
that's when CarPlay became a thing. Damn. My mum's put her business branding on it. Oh my days. Right, what's holding this in now? Oh, there's connectors back there. How the hell am I meant to reach them? I've had this out before, by the way, because I told you back in the day I changed the system. So when I was a kid, I used to do all this. When I was 17, I can't remember.
Oh no, and you can't even do it now.
Well, there's no space to work. What's catching it? Look at this pile of shit. Come on. I waited 7 years to change this, you know.
Well, you haven't, because you've done it before.
I did, but it wasn't a proper system, so...
Oh, wasn't it? Was it eBay special?
Yeah, but it said it was a genuine system. That's some bullshit, man. Right, they've given me... Oh, shit, yeah, look. Okay. So he's supplied a new connector with this, so...
I bet that one goes into there, and then the old one...
That goes into the car, into this, I know that.
And then the other one's an adapter to that.
Do you reckon this goes into that?
Yeah, 'cause it's like when you buy an aftermarket stereo from Halfords, you have to always adapter it, don't you?
We've hooked the adapter up here for the antenna, and this should just be a simple... Oh wait, wrong side, sorry. This should just be a simple plug and play. Yes, no? Does it want to play? Yes, no? Is that wrong? No. It locked. How do you unlock it? There you go. I need to keep that locked. As far as I'm aware, that should be that. So we'll get this back in here. That's in. Get this into here. It's exciting.
It is. I don't know what this is for though.
I don't know what that's for, but here's the moment of truth. Yo. Yo, that's sick. Copyright. Radio works. Fast. Right. I'm gonna plug this in now. This is done, so I'm gonna plug this back in now. That should be that. And I'm gonna show you one more thing, which is
This basically looks like an older version of a Mark 7 unit.
Long story short, yeah, there's Mandem out there rolling with 25 grand C classes and you don't have an MMB box. Guess what? The RCD 360 is MMB box compatible.
Fresh air. Pass me fast.
Fully working.
Your faster route to driving.
Fully working. Radio works. Now, for the juicy part. Yeah, it's got Bluetooth. It's got Bluetooth. So I'll connect my phone. But this is the part I've been waiting for. Never ever did I think I would have Apple CarPlay in this car. And not even mind Apple CarPlay. I'm fitting the MMB box. Obviously, it needs to register. Full app connect. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mirror link. So now just let the MMB box load up. Gassed. Actually gassed. That is so sick. So we've gone from this, yeah,
To CarPlay. To wireless CarPlay if you wanted to.
Oh, juicy. So, YouTube. In my Mark 6. From this to that. Tell me that's not an upgrade. That is honestly, I think this can be one of the best.
Can any Mark 6 have that?
Any Mark 6. Any Mark 6. I think some Passats can have it as well. Some Tiguan's can have it. Some Polos can have it. So literally, I need to go non-copyright. Can't play any of these songs here.
Go on our YouTube channel.
Something should come up here. United stand. That'll be fine.
HSBC believes that grassroots grow high. We're proud to say.
Gassed.
Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to the United Stand. This is the latest Manchester United news and transfer news. Some big updates around Rafael Varane, Paul Pogba, Camavinga.
I'm actually gassed. That is fucking sick. And while we're here, you enjoy that. I'm gonna start taking this trim off. So, as you can see, it's fully functional now. Obviously I need a longer wire for the MMB, but it's fully functional. I've turned the sound off because I don't want copyright, but it's Bugsy Malone's Fire in the Booth playing there. We've just changed these trims out as well. They're obviously not perfect. I'm going to try and get them polished out and cleaned up as much as I can, but we've changed them out. Big transformation in here, man. Like, it's looking so much better than before. I'm moving all my keys. It needs a bit of a hoover again, to be honest, but it just looks a million times better like than before. We start getting rid of stuff off the dash now. This is all old stuff that we don't need, besides the mirrors. Yeah, I'm very happy. Like besides the steering wheel, now this interior has just been yeah, just dash it, bro. This interior has just been completely transformed now. The only thing left now is that side mirror cap, and then obviously I still need Moib to do these. We've still not done these, which will be left for another day. Yeah, I'm gassed. That is sick. I really wish I could put sound on, but you can see what's going on. I'm not getting my videos done for copyright, but we can offer this. As you can see, we can post it out to you and you can fit it yourself. The system itself costs about 200 quid or 250 quid, sorry. It's about 300 fitted. We can do it for you. We can post it out to you, and as you've seen, it's plug and play. You can do it yourself. MMB box is separate. That gives you all the YouTube stuff. We sell them as well. There's a couple of different models at different prices. One more thing that I've not actually shown on my YouTube videos yet, which is what I've been promoting today because it's the Euro final. We now offer a live TV package on our MMB boxes, so you can literally watch live TV inside the car. So tonight we're hosting like a little meet where for the Euro final, we're all just going to sit in our cars. A load of my customers who've got MMB boxes, and we're just going to watch the final in a car park, all in our cars, in Trafford Park, where there's Starbucks, there's Mackey's, there's Asda, Krispy Kremes, the works. So you can just sit there with your mates in the car, watch whatever. But I'll show you a little example of it now. This is an additional package that we sell with the live TV. I just want to see how easy this is to get out. So as you can see now, BBC One HD, full TV guide there, and this is full live TV.
Things will keep the vast majority out of hospital, but some are warning there could still be.
Quality's 10/10. Obviously, I know you guys aren't going to be giving a shit about BBC One. You're going to want to see the sports channels. So they're just, at the moment, my internet's just being really funny. So let me just see if I can get it working. Standard, different. Pause that, stop it. So there you go, you've got BT Sport 2.
Andy Sales, Ben Curry in the sin bin. Exeter ramped up the pressure.
In your car. And with COVID, this has been a great thing because a lot of people are too scared to like go out in public places. Like, I think as of the 19th now, everything's open, but people are still timid. Come put your own car, do whatever you want. Get all these food places have adapted now, so you can watch. You can get food delivered to your car and all that shit. They even give you trays. Watch it in your car. If you've got a common car, like nothing awkward like a Peugeot or something that we don't really work on. If you've got like a VW, a BMW, an Audi, maybe even Skodas, we'll have a way to get you CarPlay. It might cost, depending on the car, like Mark 7s, if you have MIB 1, it costs dough to get you to MIB 2. If you have a Mark 6 like this, it's actually so cheap to get this system and get set up and running. I think within £500 you could be with a screen and an MMB box and a live TV package within 500 quid, which is banging. Like the cheapest way you could do it would cost about 500 quid. Just chilling. I mean, on a Golf, the cheapest way with an MMB box, you're looking like 750-ish. It does get expensive. Last thing to do now is that mirror cap, but you've seen that in the last video, so I'm not going to show it. We'll just throw it in the next video next week, when hopefully I'll have these done as well. Bear in mind, obviously this is the MMB box. Some people a lot of people aren't bothered about this. They want CarPlay. You've got normal CarPlay with this. I will get an iPhone wire now. Pardon me. We'll plug it in, then you'll see that the car has full normal working CarPlay as well. So yeah, should we head back? So yeah, just for the purposes of the video, I will just show that a lot of people will want to just use normal CarPlay. Plug my phone in. There you go. Oh, we're getting a phone call immediately. Let me call you back in 1 minute. Let me call you back in a minute. Okay, bye. As you can see, I didn't even have Bluetooth before. So CarPlay, completely normal. Spotify here. Playlists. Normal. I don't want to show my location, so just... That's it. Everything as normal.
All these messages and phone calls are from me that he never replies.
I get too many. Allow me. But yeah, everything as it should be. Normal CarPlay. So within, if you don't want the MMB box and you're not bothered about videos, within cheapest 250, 300, you could do this transformation from this piece of shit. You've seen it. I've showed it enough time in the video. I don't want to look at anyone. I swear down, I'm not even going to try and sell it. It's going straight in the bin. This is the transformation. RCD 360 is the way. Yeah, that is it. Look, I'm like, the first video did sick. It's on like 30k views now after like 2-3 weeks. I'm really happy with that. It's done amazing. If you want to keep seeing, I'm expecting this to do well as well, because it's be a big upgrade for a lot of the Mark 6 gang. If you like videos like this, just support it. Literally, all you have to do is like it, comment anything, comment some feedback if you enjoyed the video, whatever. Get the videos to blow up, push them onto the people's recommended and explore pages. Let's get these videos to blow up. The more they blow up, the more budget I have for this car. I've already spoke about everything. If you go back to the first video, everything I want to do. The more you blow up the videos, the quicker and the more we can get this done. Obviously, as you know, I've got a lot going on. I've got 2 other cars that I'm running. I've got a family to run. I've got the new unit. So I can't prioritize my expenses on this car. But with the help of the YouTube videos, I can do mods like this, and they're helpful for people to see what they need to encounter, what works, what doesn't work, etc. But yeah, I've said it enough times. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Take care and peace out. We had to put the old system, not system, that back in.
Old climate control buttons.
So the whole thing with the connector, weirdest thing ever, that big connector is somehow linked to the windows and the mirror, electric mirrors, which stopped working. We couldn't put the windows up. Even by key, I couldn't do it. Also, when we unplugged the old system, well, not the old, when we unplugged this, the screen went brighter. Weird as fuck. So, obviously I couldn't put the windows up, which I have to. So I've put the old system back in. I mean, I could put the windows up and swap it back out now. But for now, I know where the issue is, and I know what issues it's causing. So I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna draw back. The car doesn't get driven anyway, I'm not bothered, like I said. I'm going to go back to the drawing board and find out what's going on with this whole climate control system. Weirdest thing ever though, stopped the windows going up. We were just like baffled. So yeah, back to the drawing board with that. Obviously the RCD is 1010, that's in, it's working. The whole climate control thing we knew was sus anyway. So we'll have to leave that for another day and see what goes on with it. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Take care and peace out.